I think I'd like to have a snack, but I'm doing keto. What can I possibly have? Stick around and I'll show you what I'm trying today. What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to do a little product review. Y'all know I like snacks, probably too much, and I like some chips. I have a chip addiction. That's why I don't normally eat chips, because when I open the bag, the next thing you know is empty. So chips are off the table for me. And a good friend of mine, Mike, he asked me if I heard of wild protein chips. And I'm like, well, no, I hadn't heard of those. And he says, well, I'll pick you up a bag and you can try them out. So I'm going to try them out today in front of you and everybody else and tell you what I think of them. They're low carb, and they make several varieties of these. I happen to have the barbecue ones. I like barbecue chips, but they do come in several varieties, and you can find them at Walmart for about $7 a bag, give or take a little bit, depending on where you're at. So yeah, let's break into them and see what they're like. So first thing I always do is I always just dump out the whole bag to see what a whole bag of chips looks like. And you can look on my previous videos with the Atkins chips and Quest chips, and you can see there's not much in those bags. I can already tell there's more in this bag. So let's break it open and see how many's in here. Well, they're in a very durable bag, let's put it that way, a durable bag. I'm gonna put them in a big Ziploc after I'm done anyway, so. All right, here we go. The whole bag. There they are. Oh, I smell them already. They smell sweet and good already. So let's do a close-up of them and you can kind of see what's here, and we'll talk about nutritional information and everything else. Well, here they are all dumped out. Most of them look intact. A little bit of crumbs, not that many. And you can see the seasoning. Oh, I can't wait to try these. I can smell them already. Now let's look at the ingredients and nutritional information. I'm not going to bore you to death and read all this to you, but you can hit the pause button and you can see what the stuff is there. You can see the carbs and the fiber and get your net carbs. That's about 6 there. And then you can see the ingredients. Like I said, you can hit pause and read that and see if that's something you're interested in. And then here's the front cover. So you can find them in your store. So the one thing I will point out here, it says there's 4 servings in this container and it's about 20 chips or 30 grams. So we'll measure out 20 chips or 30 grams and see what we come up with. All right, I've got my scale zeroed out. I'm gonna put 20 chips on here and see how close it is to 30 grams. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And that is 27 grams. So let's put one more on. It's 29. Let's put like one little crumb on there, maybe. Right on the money, 30 grams. So let's look and see what that looks like up close. See if you can have a good snack out of that. There is one serving. One serving, 30 grams. Now, and it's actually 22 chips, but some of them's a little different, you know, whatever. Nobody's gonna sit and count the chips, I don't think, but sometimes I do. My wife measures everything. I'm a little slack in it. I need to get back to doing it, but all right, the only thing left now is giving them a try. So yeah, I'm smelling them, and they smell good. They smell sweet. I smell that barbecue. I'm ready to give them a try. Let's see how they go. Very crunchy. Oh wow. Man, that's a big thumbs up for me. And it tastes just like a potato chip, only it's with protein is made a little different, but there's no potatoes in it. Oh yeah, man, I could get down on those, but you know what would happen? I'll eat this, and then I'll eat the rest of them. Yeah, that's good. If you're disciplined enough to eat one serving every now and then, hey, thumbs up. I got some burgers I'm gonna be making soon, so be looking out for that video. Spam burgers, and I'm gonna put these with that Spam burger and have a little sweet treat with it. Oh yeah, I can't wait. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. If this stuff's interesting to you and you're trying to do the keto lifestyle and things like that, hit the subscribe button and like and all that good stuff. And yeah, I randomly test new products and stuff that's kind of lower on the carb list, and try new recipes and things like that. Plus I'm just sharing my journey. So until the next time, may the Lord bless you and eat well. Oh yeah, that was great. And just the heads up, it has one of these little pouches in it, the pillow pack. Don't eat this. It says, do not eat. You know why it says that? Somebody ate one. Yeah, when you get crazy eating potato chips, you might just go ahead and scarf that down too. So be on the lookout for that. That's good. That's real good.